Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to log out from Github Copilot in VS Code. As you can see, I've already opened the VS Code editor, and on the left hand side you can see I got a Github Copilot chat window and it is working absolutely fine. Now the goal here is to log out from Github Copilot. Before I teach you that, you need to understand that your Github Copilot account is actually connected with your GitHub account. So if you want to log out from Github Copilot, you have to actually log out from your GitHub account that is logged in the VS Code. For that, I need to go to View, then Appearance, and here I got Activity Bar Position. Simply click on Default. Now depending upon your setting, it might show up on the left hand side or on the right hand side. In my case, it is on the right hand side. At the bottom, you will find the accounts icon. Simply click on it. Once you take your mouse over your account name, you will find this Sign Out. Simply click on it. You will get this sort of alert. And it is clearly written here that you will be logged out from GitHub Copilot chat also. So click on Sign Out. Now let's try to use GitHub Copilot and see if it is actually working or not. Let's put something like "What's up?" And here you can see we are getting this language model unavailable because we are logged out from GitHub Copilot. So I hope you understood how to log out from GitHub Copilot in VS Code. See you next video. Have a nice day.